Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the world of creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnails using Canva. So let's jump right in. Here we are on Canva, ready to craft a thumbnail that pops. Search YouTube thumbnails and choose this option and you'll get number of ready templates here. Look at these options. There is so much to choose from. Whether you're looking for something simple or a bit more elaborate, Canva has it all. You can even customize these templates to fit your channel's vibe. Here you get filters like style, theme, features and colors. You can select according to your video content. For simplicity's sake, let's go with this one. Click Customize this template. Now let's personalize it. I'll add some text like video title and tweak the title to fit the video. You can add images or shapes that suits your style and video topic. And just like that, we have a thumbnail ready to go. But for those who want to take it a step further, let's create a custom thumbnail from scratch. So we just click Create Blank here. Now let's pick a background color. Feel free to choose whatever suits you, or you can search for ready background and select. So we go to Elements and search Background. Here you have ready graphics or photos. Let's see photos. We select this one and replace it as background. Next, we add an image. You can upload your own photo or you can select ready image here. I've got this one of a woman pointing, which is perfect for our video. Let's adjust the positioning to make it look natural. Now let's spice it up with some text and elements. I'll throw in a couple of subheadings and some shapes to add visual interest. Adjust the text position. Change font you like and add some effects to text to make it attractive. Then search shapes and elements and add few shapes and then adjust them. You can also add a logo of YouTube and Canva. Our thumbnail is starting to come together. And there we have it. Our stunning YouTube thumbnail is ready to grab viewers' attention. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, happy creating!